Hey, I'm Charles. I work for Workbox. One of the big things that led us to Fleet is that we had a really hard problem where we had a huge swath of our servers had no telemetry at all. And so I started to investigate the host query. Kind of looked at a bunch of different vendors and different solutions. We really wanted a distributed system that we could kind of get as much telemetry as possible. And what we got from Fleet is we were able to play kind of at scale right out of the box, and just to get so many different kind of angles of data that we could view. We have huge amounts of queries running today across lots of hosts, and it just works really well. So, I would say that our biggest impact has been that Fleet has had a huge amount of use cases that I just didn't expect. I didn't expect anyone to do anything with it. I kind of went in with pretty low expectations. I had my goal, which was get telemetry on tons of endpoints. And what ended up happening is that like our IR team, our TVM team, multiple other folks in security are really heavily utilizing the system in ways that I didn't expect. And I didn't tell them about it. I just gave them access and I was like, hey, here's a cool thing to play with. I said, you can do this, you do this, you do this. It goes here. Kind of, I gave them a very basic rundown. I said, go ahead and do whatever you want. And we're running like tons and tons of continuous queries or scheduled queries. We have tons of live queries which are ran during threat hunting kind of events. We use it, we write lots of live queries during incidents, and it's actually gotten to the point where it's spreading to other teams, and so like our corporate team now wants to run it on everything, and some of our sister teams in infrastructure are saying like, well, we want to run it for this, and it's really spread to such a degree that I really didn't expect it to happen, but it did, and it's great, and everyone is just using it. I've had no complaints. I haven't given anyone any instruction. I've never pointed anyone at any dots. It's been very natural, which has been amazing. The biggest return for us is that we had a gigantic blind spot in all of our infrastructure for security, and I was able to roll it out pretty quickly without a whole lot of headache. A lot of the features within Fleet allow us to deploy it into very weird environments by having the OS query configuration kind of baked into the product and very flexible. It allowed me to do some, I'll say like goofy stuff, and it ended up working really well.